solve the inequality. -8 less than 5x minus 3 is less than or equal to 2x plus 4. Hence, illustrate your answer on a number line. Then part B, state the integral values in A above. So the first thing you're going to do, this one is a combined inequality. So we shall extract two inequalities from this combined inequality. So the first one, you're going to extract it from this point and then up to that point. So that will be the first inequality. So the first one will be -8 less than 5x minus 3. That is the first one. Then the second one, we extract it from this end up to this point. That will be the second one. So this one will be 5x minus 3. So this is a 5x minus 3 less than or equal to 2x plus 4. So once we've done that, now we can solve each of these inequalities separately. So let's go to the first one. The first one is -8 less than 5x minus 3. So we just work out this one as if we're solving for x. So we want x on one side. So let's take -3 to the left hand side. So we shall add 3 to both sides. So -8 plus 3 less than 5x. So this will give -5 less than 5x. So we want to get x, divide both sides of the inequality by 5. So we shall have -1 is less than x. So this one is the same as x is greater than -1. That is the first one. So we take the second one. Second one is 5x minus 3 less than or equal to 2x plus 4. Let's take the like terms together. Let me take x to the left hand side. So this will have 5x minus 2x. And then -3, I take it to the right hand side. So we shall have 4. So this one taken to the other side to be plus 3. So 5x minus 2x, this will give 3x less than or equal to 7. So divide both sides by 3. So you shall have x less than or equal to 7 over 3. Or you can write this one as 2 and a third. So we illustrate this one on a number line. So we have two solutions. We have x is greater than -1 and x is less than or equal to 7 over 3 or 2 and a third. So we have -1, so we have 0 there. Then we have -1 there. So -1 is there. Then 2 and a third. So here we shall have 1. This one is 2. Then this one is 3. So 2 and a third is somewhere here. So this one we have 2 and a third somewhere there. So x is greater than -1. Greater than will require the values that are to the right. So values that are to the right. So we shade to the right of -1. Those are the values that require. Then x is less than or equal to 2 and a third. 2 and a third is here. So less than or equal to, we have to shade these. 2 and a third is inclusive. So we shade to the left. The values are to the left. So the values that will satisfy these combined inequalities are between -1 and 2 and a third. This is where I've shaded. So that is how you're supposed to work it out. Now, in part B, state the integral values. Integral values should be positive or negative whole numbers only. No decimals, no fraction for integral values. So the values that are going to satisfy these, remember x is greater than -1. So -1 will not be part of the solution. So the first one will be 0. Then we have 1. And then 2. Remember, 2 and a third will not be inclusive because it is not an integer. We need the integral values. So these 3 are the ones that we're going to take.